HCTI stock analysis, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in a short, brief 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Like, I'm the only guy in this space with 40,000 videos, so I've definitely seen what's making me money and what's not. And with this in mind, all I'm trying to tell you is that this is how my charts look like. Let me just, yeah, there you go. You know, this is a bearish market for me. I know, like, it went up 8% and whatever, but doesn't change the fact that, like, look at, just zoom out, man. Like, look at exactly where we're sitting at. I mean, maybe then will make sense. There's nothing new if the price just absolutely plummet, you know, starts gaining like 2x or something, because that has happened before. But the way I'm looking to follow and trade this thing is actually quite simple, where in this case, if I see some sort of like a double break, I'm going to look to take it further down. Right, that's ultimately how HCTI is looking like for me. I do have a lot of previous receipts with this, and if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month without indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails. Goodbye.